Today's focus is on a projector that blends innovation, performance, and versatility into one sleek setup. The Epson BrightLink 760Wi Ultra-Short Throw 3LCD Projector. This device isn't just about projecting images. It's about transforming how people share ideas, teach, and collaborate in any environment. The first thing to notice is its smart, compact form factor. The BrightLink 760Wi is engineered for tight spaces, allowing you to mount it close to a wall or set it up on a tabletop. Thanks to its ultra-short throw design, it can display a huge, distortion-free image even when positioned just inches from the screen. That means no shadows, no glare, and no need for extra space. Epson's signature 3LCD projection technology takes image quality to another level, delivering 4,100 lumens of color and white brightness. This projector ensures visuals stay sharp and colorful even in bright rooms. Unlike DLP projectors that can struggle with color accuracy, the 3LCD panel keeps tones balanced and natural. The 1610 WXGA resolution, 1280 by 800, gives plenty of detail for videos, documents, and creative presentations, maintaining excellent clarity from edge to edge. But the real magic of the BrightLink 760Wi is its interactive capability. With the included interactive pens or your own touch input, you can write, draw, and interact directly on the projection surface. Imagine turning your wall into a dynamic touchscreen whiteboard, ideal for classrooms, boardrooms, and studios. It turns ordinary meetings into engaging sessions and lessons into hands-on experiences. Connectivity has been designed with flexibility in mind. You'll find HDMI, VGA, USB, and LAN ports, plus optional wireless support. That means you can plug in just about any device, laptop, tablet, or streaming stick, with ease. Epson's software ecosystem, including easy interactive tools, works seamlessly with popular education and presentation platforms, allowing smooth integration into any workflow. Installation and setup are as simple as it gets. Automatic image alignment, keystone correction, and easy calibration make setup nearly effortless. The ultra-short throw design helps maintain perfect geometry while preventing light from hitting your eyes. Within minutes, you can have a bright, properly aligned image ready to use. Durability is another big advantage here. The lamp lasts up to 20,000 hours in eco mode, giving years of reliable performance. That's a big plus for schools and businesses that don't want to deal with constant replacements. Epson's proven build quality ensures that the BrightLink 760Wi delivers consistent results for years. For audio, it comes equipped with a 16W speaker that produces enough volume for small and medium-sized spaces. And if you need bigger sound, there's support for external audio systems as well. Whether you're streaming media or presenting data, the sound is clear and balanced. In everyday use, the Epson BrightLink 760Wi stands out for its ability to enhance collaboration. Teachers can make lessons interactive, businesses can boost engagement during meetings, and creative professionals can visualize projects in real time. It's not just a display, it's a tool that bridges technology and creativity effortlessly. When you combine sharp projection, interactivity, and durability, the result is a system that fits into almost any environment with ease. The Epson BrightLink 760Wi Ultra-Short Throw 3LCD Projector brings practicality, performance, and intelligence together in one well-rounded package. If you're looking for a projector that makes presentations smarter, lessons more interactive, and teamwork more efficient, this model deserves serious consideration. To get your hands on one, check out the link in the description.